Hi friends, and welcome back to reading. It is so good to see all of you. I'm just kidding. I can't see you, but I do miss all of you, and I hope that you are enjoying the activities planned for the last 2 days. All right, well, today we are on book number 4 for Geodes. So today we're going to read our 4th book. Miss Scott will read it, and then you will read it independently. And remember, we are working on reading fluently. And when we read fluently, there are those 3 important parts or components. So the first part is accuracy. Are you reading the words correctly? Are you reading what the sentence says? The second part is rate. Are you reading like you speak? Or are you reading too fast? Or are you reading too slow? So remember, we want to read the rate we speak. And the last one is expression. Are you showing emotions and feelings as you read? Or are you reading monotone like a robot? All right, friends. So today, Miss Scott is going to first read the book, and then it'll be your turn. And today, I'm going to be working on my rate. I'm going to be working on reading like I speak. Not too fast, not too slow. Here we go. Just in Time by Emily and Michelle. Just in time. In the hills, fog falls with a hush. The sun pops up bit by bit. Jess is in her bed. With the buzz of the morning, she's up. She checks the time. It's late! She looks for the bus. Is it on the hill yet? The fog is too thick. She can't tell. Jess whips around. She packs her book bag. She gives a kiss. She shuts the door and hears a hum. The bus! Jess runs down the path in a rush. Duck! Such a close call. Jess sees the bus by the bank. She hops on the bus just in time. Jess yells, "Hit the gas!" The bus is quick. Jess sits back. She will be just in time. She looks at the art that dots the hills. Pop! Hiss! What a mess! But Jess does not fuss. She will be on time. Jess runs in a mad dash. She sets her bag down with a thud. The bell! Jess is just in time. What a good story, friends. I want you to close your eyes and think. Who are the characters in this story? What was she doing? Was there a problem? If there was a problem, what was the solution at the end? All right, friends, now it is time for Miss Scott to evaluate her fluency. Did I read with accuracy? Did I read the words correctly? Yes. Today I think I did a really good job reading with accuracy. Did I read the words just right or the way I speak? Yes, today I think I did a wonderful job reading at the rate I speak. Expression. Yes, I had feeling while I was reading. And last, did I pay attention to punctuation marks? Yes, when it said, the duck, my voice inflected. All right, next time I will work on, next time I want to work on accuracy. And I want to work on accuracy because I know 2 times while I was reading, I almost missed a sentence. So I want to work on accuracy again so I don't miss any words. I'm going to do that again by slowing down and pointing to the words. Slowing down. All right, friends, now it's your turn. So you're going to go to Seesaw and you're going to go to our activity called Just in Time. You're going to record yourself reading with fluency, and then on the last page, you are going to write in your notebook a beginning, middle, and end. What happened in the beginning of the story? What characters were in the story? Where were they? And what was the first event that happened? And then you're going to write the middle of the story. What was the problem? And at the end, you're going to write the resolution. How was it solved? All right, I can't wait to hear you read.